With my troubles and trials, when I get over on the other side, I'm gonna shake my hand with the elders. I'm gonna sit down and what is song go again? Now you see that happen when you not go to church long time. I can't even remember the words. Holy Ghost help me this morning. Hello? Stormy, me hear like a word sound, you know, me hear like a word sound about you. Dirty girl, what going on? Long time. You alright? What about you? Your conscience, I prick you. Why? You sure not the dicky I prick you? Stormy, what about you know? Talk to me, Sam. Tell me all your troubles. Right. You have a bigger secret pan Trump. Oh, really? Let me know. Call me want that son of a bitch impeach, you know. That dirty racist. When you were smacking him and having sex with him with the magazine, there was another third person, but you know what? Bust out the secret. You don't lie. Who that? Puntan from Russia? I bloody knew it. How are you say? Him up Puntan batty hole. How are you say Stormy Daniels? Me know. You don't have to tell me. I knew something was going on between him and Puntan. Him up the man hole. How are this? Jesus. Tell me more. You see, you're drawing me in the gossip now. That's why I tell you, Archangel Michael, now open up the pearly gates for me, you know. If me not stop this gossiping. But tell me. How are you say? You had to tie both of them up, them love bondage. How are they? Me can't do this. Stormy, I mean you all get deported back to England. Let me call Queen Elizabeth and tell her this. No do you know Queen Elizabeth? I've been that woman in our palace. I mean they tell her, you know, keep the man in the dungeon and not release him. And she has skin teeth with the dirty racist man. Already rask. Yeah, make me cuss bad word to rotted. I want to go to heaven. Stormy, please, don't tell me no more. I don't want to hear the gossiping. Stormy, me have to go home now. Get me the palm road. Yes, goddamn road. Me have to go home. Stormy Daniels, come on for the phone. That's enough for today. Alright, love you. Bye.
Hello? Yes. This is she. Buckingham Palace. Queen Elizabeth want to talk to me. Lord Jesus. Alright, me tired. I'll go in my bed. Me just come home from work. Put her through. Shit. What me doing? Hello, you all. Let me see. Can't get the words out right. I'm so tired. You'd be feeling sorry for your girl if you saw me. All my wig is twisted. Yes. What's going on? You're hearing rumors about what? Trump? Well, me's not one to gossip. Let me tell you. I just come off of the phone not too long ago with Stormy Daniels and she had bust out some secret about your friend Trump where you're having your palace and a skin teeth with. And me tell you not have the little racist son of a bitch in your household and you nah listen to me. What's the secret? It's not me to tell you. Not me to tell you. You heard that him and Puntande? Really? I wouldn't know. What me did tell you? Me never tell you said the man not straight. Hmm? That's why no matter what Russia do, what Puntan do, he must smile because he must take it up the back the whole. Right? You know what? It's hard for me to go in that heaven, you know. And, you know, in the right fi gossip about people. But no, man. Me, I tell you. Me here say Puntan have mileage pan that the body there. Long distance. Queen Elizabeth, I won't go to my bed though. I am tired. Yeah, did we laugh? Queen Elizabeth and me if you tell you what go on what time clock has strike and it's not Big Ben in London. Yeah, hear me, girl? Keep your mouth quiet now, you know. Keep by your mouth. You never hear it from me. Yes, you have to go find room for me some in your palace because you know that man I deport everybody, but he can kiss for me ass. Matter of fact, me no want that they don't even touch my ass at all. Queenie, I beg. I don't know. They won't impeach him. He must have something on them. I don't know. He must have sleep with the whole of Congress and the whole of the White House. I'm nervous if you see one of my comedy videos. I don't give a tinker's piss. Tickle my tits till Friday. I don't care because he was killing. Right, because he thieved the election from my friend Hillary. And from then, she not right. She did it with Bill smoke up the ganja. How me ask say Queenie? What you mean weed good for you? Me not smoke weed drink. Me know you smoke. Me know. Cause me hear say you and the butler and the gardener I smoke up the weed in a Buckingham Palace. What you mean how me know that? Harry not call me. I'm Prince William. Yeah. And them try to talk to Charles to talk to you, but you not listen. You tell them to kiss your ass, your royal ass. You know. Me tired. Me have to come off of the phone, man. Me a gossip all morning, and it not good in the right. Right. Your tongue wag too much. Keep by your mouth. Yeah, thanks for checking on me, even though you have gossip. Me talk to you soon.